Here we have a Jet 13 by 40 inch geared head lathe. It is used. All the functions appear to operate correctly on here. We checked all the speeds. We checked all the threading controls. Everything appears to operate correctly. Here's your apron. What we're going to do is we're just going to hit the jog button right here. We currently have it set at 300 RPM. I thought that was a really good speed to test the unit. Alright, so that's your jog. And then we're going to come over here. Alright, so we currently have the cross threading engaged. So that's your automatic. Here's your longitudinal feed and the slow speed. Put this in neutral here, and there's your longitudinal speed, a little bit faster mode here. Tailstock operates fine. Turn that off and we'll go in the opposite direction. See? We said all the functions appear to operate normally. It has some moderate signs of use. Got a couple paint chips. There's some metal shavings on the bed, on the backsplash here. Nothing major. It does include a follow rest, but no steady rest. Shut the machine off. Okay, it is missing a lever for the high and low. Your crossfeed handle is missing. Your longitudinal manual feed control handle is missing. Other than that, it appears that all the parts are here. It only includes a 3-jaw chuck and a backing plate. And then you get your backsplash, and here's your drip pan right here. Okay, here's your electrical junction box.